Today I've got this little Squire LN3. Cool little lock, this one. It was made for the military. There's a number on there. In fact, I'll zoom in so you can see it. There you go. Cool little lock, this one. Let's just zoom back out again. So yeah, it all works okay. It's not got much of a snap to it. That's a bit in on the key. So we're going to pick this one open using a no-made tension tool and an hacksaw blade pick, which is a half diamond profile. Actually a nice little lock to pick for a small lock. It does go into a full set when you're picking it. There we go, we've just gone into the full set. It's the back pin and then you get it open. So yeah, cool little lock that, Squire LN3. And that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.